Good morning, Thursday morning. Going to go through the next couple of days of the weather here. It's going to warm up, well, reasonably. I mean, into the 50s, maybe the 60s. But we're going to see some wet weather now approaching the weekend, unfortunately. But I guess for a lot of you, wet weather is better than 25 degrees and a threat of snow. So let's go through the surface map. This will show the precipitation and make things easy to understand. So this is going to be on Friday at 2 o'clock. You can see showers start to come through the area. Due to this low pressure system to our north will be a front draping down, and that will bring some showers. Snow up in Canada, that comes through. And then we have to take a look at Saturday. A little bit of a wave is going to develop in the jet stream, a little kink in the jet streams from northern impulse. It's going to develop a coastal storm, but it's not going to be snow for us. You don't have to worry about that. But it will be snow for New England, which is nice. Any people want to do a last second ski trip, wouldn't be a bad time to go this weekend. And you can see that storm develop right off the coast here. It starts to spread snow to in northern New England, and by the time we get to Sunday morning, early Sunday morning, it's snowing everywhere north of Jersey and southeast New England. You have some nice snow. Several inches will accumulate, and that continues into Sunday afternoon. So again, the Killington, New Hampshire mountains, anywhere at southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, actually will be some good skiing this weekend. So always good to get some late season action in. That pulls away, okay, sits off the coast, and then looking next week, looks like a few light showers, nothing crazy, and mild conditions in the 50s. Taking a look at the larger overscale weather pattern here, and this just gives you an idea what the jet stream looks like. So this is Friday. You can see warm, very warm weather over area due to this ridge, but we have this little kink developing here. We have this impulse that's coming in on the northern branch that's going to develop that little bit of a surface storm I just showed you for the weekend. And there's going to be cold air up here available for northern New England, but down here will not be cold enough for snow. And then as we head into next week, we have a nice trough over the west. That means mild conditions over the east. That's Wednesday of next week. And heading into April now. Now I want to make something very clear. Although winter's over, that's clear. April's not going to be the warmest month seasonally. So April's going to have a lot of days in the 50s this year. Maybe even a few days in the 40s. And that's due to the North Atlantic Oscillation. Looks like it's going to go negative in the short term, and it probably could stay negative through April. And when there's high pressure over the top like this, it creates colder conditions underneath like this, and you're seeing that here, and this is on April 8th. So keep that in mind. If I had to put a map out for April right now, I'd say April is going to be a little bit below average for temperatures. That's the bad news. Good news is below average in April does not mean 30, 40 degrees. It means temperatures in the 50s. So that's all for now. Sum everything up. Temperatures are now going to moderate after today. We're going to see some showers on Friday, a little more rain on Saturday due to a developing coastal low, which will spread snow into interior New England and give anybody who likes to ski a last-second chance to get up there. And who knows, I think they might even have another shot over the next couple of weeks in early April to do some spring skiing. Thanks for checking in. More updates to come.